Hello, welcome to Paul Ladies on the Wheel with Jay, and this is Elite TV on this money making Monday morning. So I believe your weekend was good and fine, and we're back to our daily activities here in Nigeria and also in every capital of the Federal Republic, and at the capital of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As you know, people are going to work, and all eyes are still on the judiciary as reactions pop out this weekend as regarding the comments made by Peter Odele's wife, who is one of the judges at the Federal High Court. And in a book launch, she said something that never sits well with many articulated and obedient fan base. And what she said was in response to the judgment that the Presidential Petition Tribunal is supposed to be passing in less than a week from today. You could recall that Peter Obi and Atiku are in court dragging President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and INEC because he was declared forcefully, according to them, that he is not the winner of this election and also should be disqualified because he never attained the credentials which he submitted before the INEC at the 25th of February 2023 general election. So here is a video of the learned colleague who made a comment over the weekend concerning the election, praising the lawyer representing APC and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as well as also the Attorney General of the Federation, saying that they will not break down the roof of the country Nigeria, as he knows that those guys are experts and they will deliver the judgment in favor of Tinubu.
This colloquium and book launch in honor of Chief Kyari Gazama upon the attainment of 25 years as the senior advocate of Nigeria is an epochal achievement. It is no doubt appropriate that the theme is, quote, the Nigeria of our dreams, a call to the patriots. I say so in the light of the prevailing situation in Nigeria as a result of the 2023 general elections, which has generated a lot of storm, necessitating the conversation which we are about to indulge in, as there seems to be moves to throw the nation into chaos or conflagration. These may be brought about by some individuals and groups who, fanning the embers of hatred, bigotry, and tribalism, fail to see the possible outcomes of the utterances without caution that are being thrown around. It is human to feel cheated or having the short end of the stick, but one who is not declared a winner at any of the electoral contests, such emotions, however grim, does not justify bringing the roof down, the roof of our nation. The reason is simple, that in such an eventuality, that aggrieved person may not be spared, as the commotion that would ensue would be like an unguided missile which could land anywhere and upon anyone. Therefore, in ventilating our points of view and facts at the electoral tribunals or other courts, a sense of responsibility from all parties is demanded. The situation does not call for the blackmail of the judges or the posting of speculatory hypotheses, giving them such a life of their own, which run riot and accepted by the hapless and innocent in the society as the truth. Knowing the quality of participants at this colloquium, and I'm happy, professional, those who are well equipped in litigation matters or electoral disputes. Chief Olonekweku is a master, and our Attorney General, recently sworn in. These are experts. I am confident that having such persons here, including our chief host, Chief J.K. Gazama, there is confidence that at the end of the day, a resetting of the mind would be taking place, and we would keep things in perspective in the full knowledge that elections are seasonal and litigations relating thereto of the same bed. And so, when the seasons are gone, the courts get back to their natural and regular duties of adjudication regarding the affairs and rights of all persons, irrespective of their status in life. J.K. Gazama, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, has called us to this discourse, lest we forget our past, the recent happenings in our country, and the need for a restoration of the ethos and the values for which the founding fathers had set in motion as guide to all of us, young and old, irrespective of the positions we occupy in the society. We all have to get our acts together and rebuild our nation.
Subscribe to our channel, please. Help us as we move forward, hitting the 3,000 subscription. So you can hit the subscription button, like and react, share this video to reach much more audience. And you see, most Nigerians, in reaction to this particular comment by Peter Odili's wife, you could also remember that during the benediction service at the Senate, one of the senators said that he encroached on his wife privacy or privileges, and he used that to look for favor for his colleague at the National Assembly. But you see, it's the same thing we are talking about here. Look at what this learned colleague said. It surprises me and many other Nigerians when you talk about people that are referred to as learned people. Issues like this, like I always said, sometimes you need to be diplomatic, I beg your pardon. Just like this serious son said during the NBA conference last week. Well, he was talking about the enumeration of the judges at the Federal High Court, saying that the money that they are paying those judges are too meager, so therefore they should pay them much more money. And as a result of that, many people didn't agree with him, but he was so diplomatic in what he was saying. I expected this honorable judge to not to say what she said, even though you are an APC member. If she was, I don't really know, but then you shouldn't be saying what you were saying. It is now obvious to everyone that they are ready to pass this judgment in favor of Tinubu. But let's come to think of it, for someone whom is afraid to let his academic record to public, somebody who is afraid to let to the public the school he went, and among other issues, he's always been skeptical concerning things surrounding his credentials and life in general. Many people find it very difficult to understand which state the Bola Ahmed Tinubu comes from, as the only thing they know about him is him and his immediate family. Nothing to trace to relation, friends, siblings, nothing to trace. So it's something that is so worrisome, and Nigerians are hoping that he will be disqualified before the UN meeting that will be holding on the 19th of September. What do you think about this video? Let's have this conversation in the comment section. Thank you.